In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make boxes bigger in Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to create more space for text or just want a cleaner look with larger boxes, I'll guide you through the steps to adjust both the row and column sizes effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you already have one open, great. If not, navigate to your Google Drive, create a new spreadsheet, or open an existing one. This setup is essential before diving into any adjustments. Next, let's focus on adjusting the row height. Begin by selecting a specific row heading. You can do this by finding the row number on the left side of your sheet and clicking on it. Once selected, you'll see it highlighted, indicating you're ready for the next move. After selecting the row, click and drag the row heading downward or upward, depending on whether you want to increase or decrease the row height. The changes will reflect instantly, allowing you to review the results immediately. Once you're comfortable with resizing rows, let's transition to resizing columns. Similar to the previous step, click on a column heading. These are denoted by letters across the top of your spreadsheet. Clicking on one will select the entire column. To adjust the column width, click and drag the line to the right of the selected column heading. Simply pull it left or right to achieve your desired width. This change provides more horizontal space, which can be particularly useful for longer inputs. For a more precise adjustment, right-click on the column heading you've selected, and you'll see an option to resize column. Click this option, and a dialog box will appear. In this box, you can type in a specific value for the column width. This feature is great for ensuring consistency across multiple columns. If you're working with numerous rows or columns, you might want to make bulk adjustments. For rows, select multiple row headings by clicking and dragging over them. This action will highlight all the rows you wish to adjust. Once your rows are selected, right-click on any of the highlighted rows. You'll see an option similar to resizing a single column. Click on Resize Rows and input a specific value for the row height. This allows you to maintain uniformity across your spreadsheet. Remember, these adjustments can be modified at any time to fit your evolving needs. By mastering these resizing techniques in Google Sheets, you ensure your data displays beautifully and remains easy to navigate. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to enhance your spreadsheet skills.